Hello and welcome. Python is one of the most popular programming languages these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python on your Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. To download Python, the first thing you have to do is you have to go to python.org. You can do that by typing the URL python.org on the website, or you can Python download. Okay, so I'm going to python.org. Here showing the latest version of Python available that time. Here currently the latest version of Python is 3.10. so since I'm on Windows and I want to install Python, I'm just clicking on download Python button, and here I'm saving it on my download folder. The Python's size is not that high, it's only 27 megabyte. This won't take that much time, and our Python download is complete. So what to do now? I'm going to my download folder, and here the downloaded file is this one. I'm just double clicking on that. You can double click or you can open this file from here. So we have two options here. First one is install, standard install, and second one is customize installation. So I'm selecting the first one, and Python just started to install. Now my Python installation or setup is successful. So now if I want to write some Python code, I can download the Python IDE, which is one of the popular Python IDEs, PyCharm, which is developed by JetBrains. You can search on Google by PyCharm, you will go there. It is one of the popular Python IDE you can use for free. So guys, that's all for today. If you face any problem to install Python on your computer, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content, and until next time, happy coding.